AD chess खत्म कहानी.
हाँ मतलब
Like he did
अलग
everything for
level
us.
पे
He settled the whole field कि नहीं इनके लिए सब कुछ करके जाऊंगा मैं.
लुइस
Exactly.
सुआरेज ही डॉक्टर स्ट्रेंज है.
Hello and welcome to Menace and the Monk. हमारे साथ मानस तो है ही, but we also have two OGs of Liverpool Twitter. We have Shivangi and we have Ram Bhai, straight from Rajasthan and straight from Noida. Are you in Noida, Shivangi?
Yes, I'm in Noida. I'm in Noida.
and we are going to talk about something very close to Shivangi's heart for sure. We are going to talk about Luis Suarez. The reason why this is happening on Zoom, why we are not sitting in front of Shivangi, is because we fear for our lives. So Shivangi, let us start with this. We'll talk about Luis Suarez. So it's the second time you are on Menace and the Monk, and the first time, we were talking about Mbappe, and now we're talking about Luis Suarez. कोई Liverpool player भी पसंद है आपको तो बता दीजिए.
Hi, thank you for having me again on Menace and the Monk. But Liverpool is as close to me as Suarez is. Mbappe तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, अब जरूरत ही नहीं है Mbappe की हमें. But हाँ, Liverpool is more closer to me than Suarez is. And Suarez is a good player and he was also a part of Liverpool. So that is that.
Okay. So safe to assume that you were not okay with Suarez being booed. अभी परसों जो मैच हुआ.
So it is hurtful as an individual to see someone being booed. मतलब इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे बुरा होता है. वो बेचारे प्लेयर का मोरल क्या ही बचेगा when you're booing him. The whole crowd is after him, and it was his family that was booing him, but it was also justified as a fan base to communicate our frustration to them and all of that.
Rambhai, what do you have to say? First of all, welcome to Menace and the Monk once again, Rambhai. आपको क्या लगता है? What do you have to say about this controversy which has been created? ये boo हो रहा था, नहीं हो रहा था, क्यों हो रहा था? क्या कहना आपको?
See, thank you very much for having me. And I feel as a player, अगर जैसे एथलेटिको के साथ बारसा के मैच में सुआरेज ने गोल करने के बाद अपोलोजाइज किया, but against us in the semi-final, we have seen Suarez celebrating, mocking Robertson and all those things. और जब वो एक एटलेटिको जैसी टीम में जिसके साथ हमारा हिस्ट्री रहा है लास्ट ईयर, जिस हिसाब से सिमोनी सेलिब्रेट कर रहा था, एंड देन जो हमारा फर्स्ट लेग था उसको देखते हुए फिर जब यहाँ पे आके और सुआरेज हो चाहे कोई भी हो, आई थिंक क्राउड का वो करना जस्टिफाइड था. वैसे हम लोग अब जैसे स्टर्लिंग है, ही हैज उसका लिवरपूल का टाइम अच्छा था, ही प्लेड रियली वेल विद अस. अब जब वो आता है तो वो होता है तो इट्स ए नॉर्मल थिंग. टोरेस चेल्सिया गया था तो टोरेस भी आता था तो ही यूज्ड टू गेट बूड. तो इट्स फुटबॉल मैच है, मैच में ठीक है. उसके बाद में तो हमने देखा था केनी के साथ फोटो था सुआरेज का, टोरेस का, इवन टोरेस है डेक्लिक विद हार्वी एलियट. तो इट्स ओके. बू करना एज ए अपोनेंट प्लेयर ही वाज देयर. बाकी अब ललाना वाला देखें तो क्या ही बोले हमारा फैन बेस का. ललाना को अपलोड कर रहे हैं, सुआरेज को बू कर रहे हैं.
Okay. One question I have, Manas, एक बात बोल. Do you what's your stance on Suarez? If you have to sum up your feelings about Luis Suarez what would you say? Like, मतलब अभी he went to, obviously he did what he did, and he went to Barcelona and he practically won everything. He's gone to Atletico and won the league. So what's your take on that?
Almost won the league with us too, like just adding it.
Almost तो फिर वो तो everyone did, but he's one of the best strikers that the world has ever seen. That is for sure. And he changed Liverpool. He brought us back into the mix. But when I look back, it was like a relationship where sex was absolutely amazing, but there were really bad times as well. Okay. And those, now whether you weigh that however you want to, there were toxic times. We all know it comes to racist comments, biting people. It's not just antics on the field. It was ridiculous at times. And the amount of times Liverpool supporters have backed him. So ये जो मेरे को लोग बोल रहे हैं ना कि we shouldn't have booed him, भाई, the amount of time we have supported Luis Suarez is insane. And ऐसा भी नहीं कि मतलब वो फ्री में खेल रहा था ना, उसके wages दे रहे थे, and we made him the player that he is.
Yeah.
He joined from Ajax and he became a household name at Liverpool. So he has a lot to thank Liverpool about as well. And जैसे राम भाई बोल रहे थे, भाई जब उसे बार्सिलोना के लिए गोल मारा, अगर इतना ही ये सब है तो ऐसे पागल की तरह सेलिब्रेट करना, मतलब ये क्या है? मतलब so, and it's fine. I don't have anything against him for celebrating. वो इंडिविजुअल है, वो स्ट्राइकर है, उसका काम है गोल मारना, वो खुश होगा गोल मार के. और तू अभी प्लेयर, करंट प्लेयर है और तू लिवरपूल के अगेंस्ट खेल रहा है, तो ऑब्वियसली तू वो होगा ना, तू गाली खाएगा. फर्नांडो टोरेस आज भी आ रहा है, आज जाके उसको तालियां मिलती है एनफील्ड पे. बट जब वो चेल्सी के लिए खेल रहा था कितनी गाली पड़ी थी, वो हुआ था. बट अभी हम सब भूल गए ना टोरेस के बारे में. Like when I say भूल गए, we don't have those grudges that we did 5 to 10 years back whenever he joined Chelsea. अभी किसी को ग्रज नहीं, सब भूल गए. एक्स प्लेयर आता है, अभी सब उसको जेम्स बॉन्ड बोल रहे हैं, नेक्स्ट ब्रूस वेन है, ये है वो है. प्यार तो दे ही रहे हैं ना. सुआरेस तो साला करंट प्लेयर है जो हमारे टीम के अगेंस्ट खेल रहा है, तो क्यों उसको ताली वाली मारे? एडम ललाना को मैच के बाद ताली दिया, बट ड्यूरिंग द गेम no one will applaud whatever is happening. I think it's being blown out of proportion. Suarez was a great player for us, but he is still playing. So there is no courtesy or love we should show when he's playing against us. Ram bhai, मेरे हिसाब से तो ऐसे ही है.
But I'll tell you something. So about Luis Suarez, and I'll just weigh in here a little bit about what I think. When we bought him, Ajax were actively looking to get rid of him because he had just bit Bakal during his time there and everything. And look, there is nobody who can say that Luis Suarez, there is any problem with him as a player. He is absolutely sensational. I would honestly put him on the same level as Lewandowski, right? That's the level I rate him at as a striker. Here's a problem. He owes his career to us. He literally does, right? Because, be it racism, like you guys have summed it up, be it anything. You have to understand one more thing. That whole racism incident, he promised King Kenny after that he would shake Evra's hand. He did not do that after promising. And right now at Liverpool, King Kenny is the biggest Liverpool player personality that is alive, right? He literally sacrificed his managerial second stint because of Luis Suarez, and then he spits in his face. And I don't mind him celebrating against us when he scored and all that. You said that. I don't even mind him celebrating. That whole thing, okay, when I come to Anfield, I will score and I will not celebrate. Right, then going to Robertson's face, he goes and celebrates. I think a lot of what he says about loving the club is lip service, right? And Suarez is not at all as innocent as he makes him out to be. But it's fine. Look, I agree with Ram bhai, and I'll come to you, Ram bhai. Ram bhai, इतनी बड़ी बात क्या है? मतलब एक player है जो अपने against खेला. He did things. He came. He got booed a little bit. What is the big deal about it?
लिवरपूल FC नाम, यहाँ पे हर छोटी चीज को आउट ऑफ प्रोपोर्शन ब्लो आउट किया जाता है. कोई लेना देना नहीं हो, बस लिवरपूल से रिलेटेड है तो इट हैज टू बी कंट्रोवर्शियल. सारी जितने भी प्लेयर्स हैं, वान पर्सी गया, आर्सेनल आता था, ही यूज्ड टू गेट बूड. एज ए प्लेयर, अगर आप एज एन अपोनेंट आ रहे हो और आप रेस्पेक्टफुल नहीं हो, सी ललाना वाज रेस्पेक्टफुल,
Yeah.
ललाना ने ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं किया था, इवन जोक भी कर रहा था, ठीक है, बट हमने सुआरेज का देखा हुआ है कि ही लिटरली अपोलोजाइज्ड टू बार्सिलोना फैंस आफ्टर स्कोरिंग फॉर एटलेटिको, बट फॉर अस ही इज जस्ट व्हाट ही इज, a proper shit house. So he crowd won't appreciate that. Obviously उनको करेंगे, boo करेंगे, but if you are respectful like Lallana is, then crowd आपको appreciate भी करेगा, they won't boo you. But Suarez and Lallana are two separate things. लेकिन ये लिवरपूल है, यहाँ पे हर चीज का इश्यू बनता है, कोई नई बात नहीं है इनमें, यहाँ पे किसी भी चीज को कुछ भी बना दिया जाता है.
But शिवांगी, निधि ने एक चीज बोला कि he owes his career to Liverpool. Do you think that's correct? I personally don't think that's correct. Do you think he owes anything to Liverpool?
He owes a significant part of his career to Liverpool, yes, because in Liverpool he got the support from players and managers, and he got a platform basically by Liverpool. Liverpool gave him a platform to launch himself to bigger clubs, to at that moment, whoever they were. Right. Then there's the other thing, ki, first of all, the booing incident. Because Liverpool still understands, the 12th man still understands ki kitna important is Suarez, and if he is given support by the crowd too, then he will go on and score something. So uska morale lose karana is also our job. So as a fan base to be there, we understand Suarez that way. He will take whatever he has and he'll make the most out of it. In whatever club he was, he has had his incidents. बचपन से रेड कार्ड मिलता है, बचपन से फाइटिंग इंसिडेंट्स चल रहे हैं, में कुछ कर रहे हैं, आयाक्स में कुछ कर रहे हैं, but he has also proven himself again and again. With every club he has played for, he has given them trophies and international recognition. So that is not something we can take away from him and his hard work.
मेरे को एक और चीज पूछनी है सबसे, बू तो चलो ठीक है, बट एक और इंसिडेंट हुआ था, भाई साहब को आर्सेनल जाना था, ठीक है, तभी लॉयल्टी किधर गई. फिर एक इंसिडेंट था, कुटिन्यो के लिए घर खरीद रहा है जब वो लिवरपूल में खेल रहा है, ठीक है, विंडो शॉपिंग हो रही थी बार्सिलोना में लिवरपूल प्लेयर के लिए. सो इतने तो क्यों नहीं बू होंगे? मतलब मेरे ये अगर आप सी, आई नो ही, हम लोग गाना गाते थे, लुइस सुआरेज, एंड ही वाज अमेजिंग, ही गॉट अस बैक इनटू द मिक्स, बट आर्सेनल का था, कुटिन्यो का था. अब कुटिन्यो तो मतलब मास्टर स्ट्रोक खेल गया वो, अगर लिवरपूल इतना जेन्युइन लिवरपूल फैन है कि कुटिन्यो को ले आया, फिर वैन डाइक हमारे पास आ गया, एलिसन आ गया, हम जीत गए. इतना तो लुइस सुआरेज स्मार्ट नहीं है, लेट्स बी
Coutinho's best assist. Coutinho's best assist.
He played AD chess, खत्म कहानी.
मतलब
Like he did everything for us. He settled the whole field कि नहीं, इनके लिए सब कुछ करके जाऊंगा मैं.
लुइस सुआरेज ही डॉक्टर स्ट्रेंज है.
निधि, बट ये सब भी जो
है सुपर पावर्स, ऐसे थोड़ी ना कोई प्लेयर कर रहा है इतना कुछ.
नहीं, बट निधि ये सब भी जो चीजें हैं which like ruffled our feathers in the wrong way.
See, again, you know, some people will disagree, but I'll tell you, if Luis Suarez was not good at football, no, that guy would have been a criminal, right? He uska behavior dekh lo. How do you, okay, so have you seen criminals? How are criminals? मतलब उन लोग जब कोई चीज करते हैं तो इमोशंस पे कोई कंट्रोल नहीं है. You know who, यार, मतलब अगर you have incidents on the road, you go and you have a scrap with somebody, your incident is not to go and bite them, right? Usko he's very Neanderthal in his thinking.
Siblings get violent all the time.
मैंने आज तक अपनी बहन को नहीं काटा.
निधि भाई सुआरेज के नोएडा वाले फैन के सामने आप उसको क्रिमिनल बोल रहे हो, आप ध्यान रखना.
ठीक है. See, the reality is this, and I don't mean criminal in the sense कि मतलब
there is no recovery to what you have said.
I'm not trying to recover. Criminal in the sense that he will do something which is not right and hence criminal, right? The point
violent.
मतलब you have no sense of control. Look, and it's not just the biting. He did it thrice. Once he bit somebody in the World Cup and he says कि मेरा पैर फिसल गया, मैं उसके मुंह पे, मैं उसके कंध. You saw that image where what is this? मतलब तुम क्या कर रहे हो? And when I say he owes his, and by the way, he was a Liverpool player when he did that. So he has had two biting incidents as a Liverpool player. So
I think एक
Boss, he has
racist allegation
been fined too, right?
right. The point is that
Evra hostile हो गया था, हाँ.
नहीं,
see,
मुझे लग रहा है कि दोनों
नहीं,
टाइम एफएसजी वालों ने इसको बिना खाना खिलाए भेजा था, कॉस्ट कटिंग चल रही थी.
उसको नहीं दिया उसका breakfast. The point is that this guy, I still stand by my statement that he owes his career to us. The way we supported him, right? I don't think Barcelona would have supported him, right? Barcelona जाके तो good boy बन गया वो.
उसका क्लॉज था ना कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में एंटी बाइटिंग बार्सिलोना वाले.
Imagine, he must be the first person in the history of the sport to have an
हम भी रख
anti-biting
सकते थे, हमने रखा नहीं.
right? कि तुम काटना मत लोगों को. ऐसा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कौन साइन करवाता है? So yeah, so the thing is that brilliant
which is more ridiculous. Martial जब साइन किया था उसका बलंड और क्लॉज था और इसका एंटी बाइटिंग क्लॉज है. Now you decide कौन सा.
Martial.
नहीं, सुआरेज वाला तो प्रोबेबिलिटी बहुत हाई है एक्चुअली में. तो ये जस्टिफाइड है.
Right. So I'll come to you, Shivangi, first. And since you love Suarez so much, when the Arsenal incident happened, do you think Suarez, as a player he was not exactly a young player at that point in time, do you think that was justified? That entire episode that happened with Arsenal?
So what I feel is Suarez is not a sportsman who is known for his loyalty to the club as such. He is more of a person who is in his earlier time, before Barcelona period, when he was still growing. He wanted to be the best sports person in football, more than anything else. So he wanted, and he was looking for every opportunity to grow. Even before the Ajax contract, he went to the arbitration court because he was not being allowed to go for Ajax from his earlier club. And then he came to Liverpool, and from Liverpool, we were not there in the Champions League. And he wanted to grow as a player at that time. It was his earliest 20s. He knew that he had a limited time to grow. And as an individual looking after himself, it is nice. See, clubs also do this. When a player is not performing, they are transferred out. They are sold to clubs who are not good enough.
That is so true. Yeah.
So why can't an individual player look after himself? That is what I feel about it.
Rambhai?
Coutinho did the same thing. It works out for some, it doesn't work out for some. But again, अभी अगर Coutinho as a Barcelona player हमारे साथ आए, हमसे खेलने आएगा, we will boo him. He was a great servant to the club, but same thing. Player है तब तक ठीक है. After retiring, if he comes to stadium, he will be appreciated. But as an opponent player, I don't. अगर कोई करता भी है, इवन ललाना वन वाज वेरी वियर्ड, वो भी ठीक है पोस्ट गेम था, बट
रामभाई वो पूछ रहा है आर्सेनल जाना चाहता था वो, उसके बारे में क्या कहना?
सब फोर्स तो करते ही है. हमने देखा है आजकल के प्लेयर्स, और पहले भी प्लेयर्स थे जिनको लगता है कि दे कैन गेट बेटर बाय joining another club. We have seen it with Coutinho as well. So सबका खुद का तरीका होता है. Some are respectful towards the club, some are not. तो चलता है. Even there was a time when Gerrard wanted
exactly
to
every
join
player
Chelsea.
has very
आर्सेनल वाले इंसिडेंट में तो आई थिंक इट वाज आर्सेनल हु एक्टेड रादर डिसग्रेसफुली. मतलब दैट ऑनेस्टली आई डोंट होल्ड इट टू मच अगेंस्ट हिम. बट या आई मीन सी लुक मानस, एक बात बोल, बट ओवरऑल लुइस, डू यू थिंक there is a do you think Suarez genuinely loves Liverpool, or is that just lip service?
I genuinely respect Luis Suarez as a player. मैं ये बोल सकता हूँ. I genuinely feel उसने literally single-handedly हमें from oblivion under Brendan Rodgers relevant किया. Okay. He brought us into the Champions League we were not in the Champions League for a long time for a
Right.
club of our stature.
Right.
उसने single-handedly Sturridge, Suarez दोनों, Sterling, Gerrard obviously, but Suarez पागल था वो season. And Suarez always, like Henderson ने भी बोला, like there were so many times where he played through the pain barrier, जो बहुत players नहीं करते. वो he's a mad genius, okay, and he genuinely gave his all for Liverpool despite all these antics. So I will always respect him as a footballer. Maybe when he retires, I'll look back and be like, भाई उसने जो किया बहुत अलग level किया हमारे लिए. But whether I think he deep down he feels that Liverpool ने मेरे लिए किया है कुछ, उसको लगता है, मेरे हिसाब से उसको लगता है. अब जैसे वो जा रहा था, उससे 3 जर्सी खरीद के गया वो अपेरेंटली, यू नो, होम अवे और थर्ड किट, मतलब सब लेके गया वो. सो उसने जाते जाते राम भाई एफएसजी के लिए थोड़ा पैसा डोनेट कर दिया वापस, यू नो, लाइक 10-12 पाउंड एफएसजी भी कमा ले, और यू नो
नाइकी आ गया भाई, अब पैसे की कहाँ कमी है.
चलो किसी ने तो थर्ड किट खरीदा, मतलब थर्ड किट मतलब वो जो चीज है वो.
but I will always feel that he gave it his all.
Yeah.
And he signed to play with Torres, you know. वो कॉम्बिनेशन क्या होती थी, कैसे होती थी पता नहीं, पर अल्टीमेटली उसका एंडी कैरल मिल गया. so उसका भी बैड लक था इन अ वे, you know. So I respect Suarez. Only time will tell how much he loves. उसकी किताब आएगी, खुद लिखेगा, कौन लिखेगा, कितने पढ़ेंगे लोग, पता नहीं क्या होगा, but मजा आएगा. Suarez का career is an enigma.
The man himself is an enigma. Yeah. Just to close things off, Shivangi, I'll come to you first. Do you think Luis Suarez, the only thing, and this is something that I think, do you agree with it? Do you think the only thing standing between himself and greatness is Luis Suarez himself?
I think Luis Suarez is already very great. He is there in the top with every person available. He might not be a player who will be remembered by the fan bases.
Precisely my point.
That he was family and this, he was a legend and he was not. But he will always be a player who will be looked up by other individuals from all walks of life as an individual who worked hard and made his way through even alone when he was standing there. So he is an inspiration in some ways to some individuals, and he might not be as a team player, or no, he's also an inspiration as a team player. For whatever team he has played, he has given his 150%. No doubt. He has always been loyal to the t-shirt he has been playing for. But then there are other walks of life, other individuals, maybe behavior-wise, that he has not been appropriate, but I think that he worked on himself. There has never been another biting incident repeated. He has been polite on the field by Luis Suarez standards. He seeked professional help when it was the time for him to seek professional help. And he grew up.
Yeah.
No, but I don't think he's grown up, because if you remember, वो इंटर के लिए साइन करने वाला था, उसने उधर चीटिंग की, तुम्हें पता है ना? Do you know this?
Yeah,
He was about to sign for Inter and he had to learn Italian or something to pass the test. उसने cheating की उधर, और इससे वो ट्रांसफर नहीं हुआ. So मतलब
technicalities में नहीं जाएंगे. Technicalities में नहीं.
मैं बता रहा हूँ कि लुइस सुआरेज मतलब एक ऐसा इंसान है जिसको आप प्रिडिक्ट नहीं कर सकते हो.
He's street smart.
Street smart is different. Luis Suarez is different. Street smart बंदा ऐसा कभी नहीं करता.
I mean,
street smart वाला बंदा पकड़ा ही नहीं जाता.
That's the last adjective I would use for him. But Ram bhai, I want your opinion on this. And when I say the only thing standing between him and greatness, Luis Suarez, for the kind of player he is, he should have won a Ballon d'Or or at least been in the running for it. But it's only because of himself. That's my opinion, and you might have a different one, but it's only because of himself, his the man that he is, that he will never be remembered as, you know, Messi, Ronaldo, even Salah for that matter. He will not be in that bracket.
Yeah, वही problem है. Suarez can't be managed. वो तो जो उसको ठीक लगेगा वो करेगा. तो yes, I agree with your point कि he is a great football great as a player. अब प्लेयर के भी बहुत सारे पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज होते हैं. कुछ लोग प्लेयर को एज एन आइडल देखते हैं, कुछ लोग उसकी टेक्निकलिटीज देखते हैं, कुछ उसकी टैलेंट देखते हैं, कुछ उसका हार्ड वर्क देखते हैं, सबका अपना अपना क्राइटेरिया रहता है. एज ए फुटबॉल प्लेयर ही इज ए ग्रेट. एज ए रोल मॉडल आई एम नॉट श्योर, बट एज ए फुटबॉल प्लेयर ही इज. ऐसा नहीं है कि जनरेशंस विल लुक एट सुआरेज जिस तरीके से वो मेसी रोनाल्डो को देखती है, बट ही विल बी रिमेम्बर्ड एज ए फुटबॉल ग्रेट. He has been absolutely brilliant with whichever team he has been, but he's not a role model. वो सबका पर्सनल रहता है. See, Maradona has done crazy things as well. तो डिपेंड्स कि उस टाइम का, जिस टाइम उस ग्रेटनेस को जज किया जा रहा है, उस टाइम के एरा में फुटबॉलर्स कैसे होंगे.
Manas, what do you think?
I think he's a great. I agree with them. वो बंदे ने वर्ल्ड कप में हैंडबॉल किया लाइन पे अपने टीम के लिए अगेंस्ट घाना to ensure that his country qualifies.
That was my first football match.
Now that is street smart. Okay, matlab, and he has zero remorse about it. He is labeled as a villain for doing that. But Thierry Henry ने World Cup qualifier के playoff में किया against Ireland या Northern Ireland. कोई बात नहीं करता. But ये आज तक लुइस सुआरेज के अगेंस्ट होता है कि उसने हैंडबॉल. क्यों? मेरे को समझ नहीं आता. वो बंदा कुछ भी करेगा अपने टीम के लिए. He is a great, and I would say, Nidhi, that madness makes him great. You were saying na ki he himself stops him from being. I think if you take that away from Luis Suarez na, Luis Suarez वैसा स्ट्राइकर नहीं होगा. लुइस सुआरेज को मजा आता है, थ्रिल. तू जोकर है ना, थोड़ा जोकर वाला वाइब है उसमें, वो कि वो थोड़ा पागल है, वो कुछ भी कर सकता है, मतलब. And that makes Luis Suarez such a good player, dude. I think we are very lucky to have had him in our team. Like Luis Suarez के साथ एक पल भी was not dull, bro. Like it was amazing. मेरे को तो बहुत मजा आया. मतलब आर्सेनल जाना चाहता था, बार्सिलोना चले गया, अभी एथलेटिको में पता नहीं किधर जाएगा. फॉर ऑल यू नो आईएसएल आ जाएगा वो, ब्रो. लाइक वो फिर इधर कुछ कर देगा वो, मतलब इधर कुछ पता कुछ भी कर सकता है यार वो. मतलब बहुत सही लगता है मेरे को. वो भी साइन ऑफ सबके लिए. राम भाई, अगर आपको मैं लिवरपूल का मैनेजर बनाऊंगा, ऑब्वियसली आप एफएसजी को बोलोगे ज्यादा पैसा देने, बट वो जाने दो. आपको 3 में से एक पिक करना है, सुआरेज, टोरेस, साला. आप किसको रखोगे टीम में?
साला.
शिवांगी?
Suarez and Salah.
एक रखना है.
Suarez and Salah.
एक रखना है.
Suarez and Salah. I'm not going to answer that question. Suarez and Salah.
निधि?
The guy who didn't try to leave when the chips were down. There is only one answer.
But you've always been up since Salah.
No, last season we were down. There is only one guy out of this who stayed through the tough times, who made sure that we waded through. There is only one answer to this, according to me. You can disagree. There is only one answer, and that is Mohamed Salah. So with that, we conclude the video. Luis Suarez is
he literally promised. Salah promised that we will end this season
and he delivered
on a high note.
And he delivered.
He delivered.
Right? So I honestly think Salah is also a much better player than both of them. So that's my answer. But yeah, Luis Suarez is nothing without the madness. Pablo Escobar is nothing without the guns. With that, we conclude this video about Luis Suarez. Thank you so much, Shivangi. Thank you so much, Rambhai, for making the time.
Thank you.
This is Menace and the Monk. This is us weighing in on Suarez, his booing incident, his times as a Liverpool player, his times as an ex-Liverpool player. Please let us know in the comment section what you think about Luis Suarez. We'll be coming up with much more content your way. Cheers and bye-bye.